Welcome to ISCFDC EZOpt tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to use the executable and file nodes. This is the executable node. It is used to run command line programs, scripts, and general operating system commands like directory creation and file moving. This node allows EZOpt to interact with and launch external programs during its process. For example, if we would like to move a file from one place to another place, we may write mv old file path followed by the new file path. We can also run a Python script by writing path to the Python executable followed by the path to the script. This will launch Python and execute the script. Next are the file nodes. These nodes are used to copy, write, and read files. We have the support file node, which is used to copy a file into the running directory. It can be any type of file. The input ASCII node, which creates an ASCII file based from a template into which EZOpt can inject data. This node can be used to create an input file for an external program. The output ASCII node, which reads an ASCII file based off a template, from which EZOpt can pull data. This node can be used to read the data generated by an external program. And the binary input and output nodes, similar to the ASCII nodes, but for binary files. We'll now show how to use these nodes when building a workflow. We'll add an input node, an input ASCII file node, a support file node, an executable node, and an output ASCII file node to the workflow and connect them. Next, we'll create two text files that will be our templates. This can be done by any text editor. We'll write 0 in each one of the files and save the first as input.txt and the second as output.txt. Then we'll create a directory, call it templates, and move the files inside. For the executable node, we are going to use Octave, an open source alternative to the Matlab software package. The script we are going to use is this, a small script that reads a number from a file, multiply it by 2, and write the answer to another file. Create a directory, call it executables and scripts, and move the Octave scripts inside. Now that we have all the files that we need, we can start editing the workflow. We'll start by editing the input file node. Double-click to open the input ASCII file node. Click on the folder icon, navigate to the template directory, and select the input.txt file. Click on the plus sign at the bottom to add an input link. This will add a new line to the bottom portion of the window. Under Input, click the Link button and select the input node. Highlight the 0 in the upper portion of the window and click on the Link button under Value at the bottom portion of the window. Select column and click OK. Now we'll edit the output file node. Double-click to open the output ASCII file node. Click on the folder icon, navigate to the templates directory, and select the output.txt file. Click on the plus sign at the bottom to add an output link. This will add a new line to the bottom portion of the window. We'll add an output node to the workflow, connect it to the output file node, and link the output to the output node. Then, we'll highlight the 0 in the upper portion of the window and click on the link button under Value. Select Select Column and click OK. Now, we'll edit the support file node. Open the support file node, click on the plus sign, navigate to the Octave script, select it, and click OK. Lastly, we'll edit the executable node. Double-click to open the executable node. Use the Append File Path button at the bottom right, or write the executable path yourself followed by a space and select the support file. This way, Octave will run the script that was added to the support file node. Finally, click OK. For convenience, we'll edit the input node to be an integer value from 1 to 10. Now, we'll set up a simple DOE, create a new directory, and run the workflow. Looking at the Analyze window, we can see that we obtained the expected result. Each input was multiplied by 2. Now, let's look inside the run directories. This is where we instructed EZOpt to run. We can see 10 directories, one for each design. The proj.date file is the workflow we ran, so even if we did not save our work, we have an instance of the workflow we ran. Open the directory for design 3. In the Analyze window, it says that the input was 3 and the output was 6. Open the input.txt and output.txt files. We can see that they have the same values the Analyze window showed. This is it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching.